We got a classic case of Silverado shift cable popping off of the shift lever on the transmission. The shift lever is pretty rusted out. The bushing in the shifter cable is pretty worn out. This is a pretty easy fix. There's a couple companies that make this part. Here's our lever, and I've already applied the new shift cable bushing to the lever. Once we put this bushing through the shifter cable, then we're going to lock it in with the C-clip right here in this little groove. Easy peasy. If you ever experience this common GM Chevy problem on the side of the road or whatever, you can use zip ties to get you where you need to go till you need to replace it. I've seen people use that method for literally years, but you can experience a little bit of slop with the zip ties. These are very affordable, easy to replace. Here we are underneath the vehicle. You can see just one nut holds the shift lever on there. See, there's our old rusty shift lever where the knob is really rotted and our bushing is worn out. You can pop it back on there, but after so many shifts, it pops right back off and then you can't put it into park or drive. We have our socket on the nut that retains the shift lever, and we're just gonna take that off. Yes, we will be shifting all the way backwards to crack that nut free. And before we reinstall, we will move this shift lever all the way back to the park position. So with that nut broken free, should unscrew by hand. There we go, there's our nut. Take our shift lever out of there. There we go. You can see it can only go on two ways, and the knob is going to face towards the center of the vehicle. Let's put our new lever on. This is the white bushing from our one kit with the C-clip. That will not fit through there. Let's grab our 3/8 drill bit and drill the old bushing out. And there we go. That's what we look like. Take our shift cable, slide it over the new bushing till it's all the way to the bottom. There we go. And right here, right on this little ledge, we'll slip our C-clip in. Right there's our C-clip, and we just pop her right in there. You can do it with no help from any screwdrivers or anything. She's in there. And now this shift cable is not gonna pop off at all again. Perfect. So I'll put the part numbers or an Amazon purchase link in the comments or description. Here's the old rotted out shift lever. Now the kit comes with that white bushing you saw and the C-clip with a good shift lever, not one that's all eaten out by rust. It locks in tight to that little groove. And of course we put it through the shift cable, put the C-clip on the other side. It's locked in place. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you learned something. Or if you're watching this video to find the part number or a place to purchase one of these two pieces, I hope you found what you were looking for. Have a great night.